Hi guys, it's Cherael again and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you some new nail products I picked up in the Black Friday sale from Amazon. So let's get right into the video. So I got this Modelones gel polish starter kit from Amazon. My first gel nail polish, guys. Yay me! So starting off, we have the instructions with how to use the products as well as what's inside the box. This box is huge and comes with a lot of stuff. Perfect for beginners. So in the box, we also have a nail brush to dust off your nails. I needed one of those because that makeup brush I use is almost ready to retire. So I'm glad I have this one. It's so soft, I just love it. We also have a small brush again to dust off your nails. This one looks like it went through World War II. The bristles are so wonky. Now we have a cuticle pusher and a cuticle trimmer. Don't think I've ever used a cuticle trimmer like this. We also have nail clippers and a cuticle oil. It smells so good. And we have a buffing block, a 600/3000 grit, and a reusable 100/180 grit nail file. We also have gel removal wipes used for removal of gel polish. It's a soak off, so it's basically an acetone in there, and also alcohol wipes, which is used to wipe off the sticky layers for the gel or to prep the nails. And also some pedicure toe separators or hand separators, a pair of tweezers to pick up the crystals and the water decals. And here are the water decals on nail stickers. I'll definitely be using those. We also have a swatch wheel, which is perfect for swatching these gel polish colors, so I'll know what's in the kit. And also we have 4 glitters. So this one, it's the rose gold glitter. It's so gorgeous. And also an iridescent glitter. This one has a purple undertone, and this one is an iridescent glitter with greenish yellowish undertone, and also a multicolored glitter and a holographic powder, which is nice. It also had an applicator with it. And here we have some rhinestones and some dual forms for applying the polygel. They have the lines to measure the length you want, so that's nice, I guess. I've never used them before, so can't wait to try them out. And here's the polygel brush and picker. So this side is the spatula, which is used to place the polygel on the dual form or nail, and then this side is the brush, which is used to spread the polygel around. I'm talking like I'm so experienced. So now for the polygel, you get a 15-gram tube. This one is the pink polygel. And then the clear polygel. And we also have top coat and base coat. and 6 colored gels. So I'm not doing any swatches today because when I'm doing the swatch, I also want to be doing a nail design one time. So that's why I wouldn't be doing the swatches today. So stay tuned for that. So I'm just showing you all of the gel polishes. They are so gorgeous. I can't wait to use them. I'm so excited to start using gel nail polish. I'm so late. I can't believe it took me this long to start using gel nail polishes. Now this glue gel didn't come with the kit. I bought it separately because I'm tired of my rhinestones falling out all willy-nilly. So this also can be used as a top coat and a builder gel. So we also get some more rhinestones with it. So these are the 4 things that come in the package. So now onto the lamp. Oh, sidebar, y'all love my nails. It's so cute, huh? On my left I have a 3D Santa and on my right is encapsulated snowflakes. I'll link it in the cards and down below if you want to check it out. So anyway, back to the nail lamp. It's 48 watts and it is automatic. There is a 30-second settings, a 60-second settings, and a low heat mode. There's a user manual and also a power cord. So I'm just checking out the nail lamp. It's a Nature 5 LED/UV lamp where the base could be taken apart if you have to do any pedicures, and it's just an all-round nice lamp. Well, yeah, this is my haul from Amazon. I will leave a link down below for all the products, and if you guys have any questions or comments, just feel free to leave those down below. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And if you want to watch more of my content about dip powders and the various designs you can achieve with it, click the links you see on the screen and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye guys!